Building your email list is not just about collecting random contacts. It's about attracting the right people. And to do that, you need more than just desire or ambition. You need the proper tools and coaching. Without these, you're just operating in the dark. Hello there, Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and welcome to this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss out on important future contents. See, in today's world of digital marketing, these elements are not optional. They are crucial. So let's break down why these are the key ingredients to your success in building a healthy and responsive email list. Let's start with the basics. Imagine trying to build a house without the right tools or without guidance from a skilled contractor. What happens? Chaos. The same is true in marketing. The tools you use for building your email list, whether it's a funnel, CRM software, or automation, can either empower your strategy or sabotage it. These tools act as the backbone of your funnel, which is designed to collect leads, nurture relationships, and convert those leads into sales. But it's not enough just to have the tools. You also need to understand how to use them. That's where coaching comes in. Proper coaching will guide you through the process, helping you avoid common mistakes and teaching you to optimize your funnel for maximum conversions. Before you can grow your email list, you need to grow yourself. You are your own brand. If you're not constantly learning, developing, and evolving, how can you expect business to thrive? Growing yourself means expanding your knowledge, improving your skills, and shifting your mindset. Successful marketers don't wait for opportunities to come to them, they create them. When you invest in yourself, you also raise your value in the marketplace. This leads us to the next critical step. See, here's the thing. No one wants to give their email address to someone who offers nothing in return, right? You must be consistently providing value, whether it's through free resources, insightful blog posts, or engaging social media content. Your goal is to solve problems for your target audience. You need to show them that by joining your email list, they will get something they can't get anywhere else, whether that's exclusive knowledge, insights, or even special deals. This is a key part of what makes attraction marketing so powerful. You're drawing people in not through aggressive tactics, but by offering genuine value. Now that you've grown yourself and provided value, the next logical step is generating leads. Here's where having the right funnel and tools come into play. With an optimized funnel, you can effortlessly guide potential subscribers from awareness to action. Whether they're signing up through a lead magnet or responding to a personalized offer, the entire process should feel seamless. Your funnel should not only be easy for people to enter, but should also provide a great user experience, keeping them engaged throughout the whole journey. The right tools will help you track and analyze their behavior so you can make a data-driven decision about how to improve your approach. Once those leads are in your funnel, the work is just beginning. Nurturing them through email marketing is essential. Your emails should build trust, educate, and continue to provide value. As you build this relationship, sales becomes a natural outcome. You're not pushing them towards a purchase, you're guiding them. And yet, even at this stage, your tools are critical. Whether you're sending personalized follow-ups, segmenting your audience, or automating responses, having the right setup makes all the difference. It ensures that each lead receives the right message at the right time. See, success doesn't stop at the sale. To truly master email marketing, you must embrace continuous learning. The basics of marketing, like understanding your audience, crafting effective messages, and optimizing your funnel, must become second to nature. See, Having the right mindset is just as important as having the right tools. Set clear goals for your email list, map out a plan, and execute that plan with laser focus. See, a successful marketer is always learning, always tweaking, and always growing. This is where attraction marketing truly shines. When you're consistent, clear, and focused, you naturally draw the right people into your ecosystem. To recap, building a successful email list is about more than just technology. It's a combination of personal growth, providing value, attracting leads, and converting those leads into sales. And all this must be backed by the right tools and the right coaching. Without these, it's easy to get lost. But with them, the sky is the limit. By investing in yourself, mastering your tools, and following a proven strategy, you will create an unstoppable engine that not only grows your list, but also builds a thriving business. The principles of attraction marketing, personal development, and providing value are timeless. And when you apply them effectively, success follows. If you're ready to take your email list and business to the next level, it's time to invest in the right tools and coaching. Don't go at it alone. Visit my website at freedomlifebusiness.com for free resources, coaching, and tools that can help you build, grow, and thrive in a digital marketplace. Let's get started on building your future together. Make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams no matter what they are. Bye for now.